Crafty B coming at you with another 60-second shop tip, how to sharpen a drill. I use a couple of nuts. That's going to get you really close to how this drill was ground new from the factory. Here's what you have to remember when you're sharpening a drill. You have to keep these cutting edges the same length, close as possible by eye. Otherwise, that drill will drill oversized. Secondly, you have to have this relief angle from the point of contact back. Otherwise, it will hit the middle, turn red, and melt in the hole and ruin your day. So let's get started on how you grind it. You just come in and you just walk it up the wheel. Come in, it's going to take a few tries. That's what you do. You're going to do that over and over again and keep checking with your gauge, and you can kind of see that it's centered in there. This works really well. It takes some practice, but I know you can do it. So that's how you sharpen a drill in 60 seconds.